Welcome to TechAura360, your gateway to the future. I'm your AI host, bringing you the most important updates from the world of artificial intelligence, innovation, and future technology. Every story you'll hear today is shaping the world we live in right now. Let's dive into this week's global tech headlines. When OpenAI's Project Orion, the path toward true artificial general intelligence. OpenAI has officially revealed a new research milestone, Project Orion. This experimental system is rumored to be the most advanced step yet toward AGI artificial general intelligence, a machine that can learn and think like a human. Unlike GPT-5 or previous models, Orion doesn't rely only on text prediction. It uses a multisensory learning model, combining text, images, video, audio, and even simulated experiences. Engineers say Orion can create new knowledge, not just recall data. It can design experiments, analyze results, and improve itself, all without direct human input. Experts call this the first spark of machine self-awareness. Some welcome it as progress. Others warn it's a door humanity can't close once opened. To DeepMind's Gemini to smarter, faster, human-like reasoning. Google's DeepMind has unveiled Gemini 2, a revolutionary AI system that surpasses GPT-5 in reasoning, creativity, and emotional context. Gemini 2 doesn't just respond, it thinks. It can debate moral dilemmas, solve complex math visually, and even predict human emotional responses. In one demo, Gemini was asked to create a business plan for a sustainable city. It built a 100-page detailed document, complete with budget, architecture, and renewable energy design. AI experts believe Gemini is the closest thing yet to a thinking companion, not just a chatbot. 3. Elon Musk's TechAura360 AI that challenges lies. Elon Musk's startup xAI has finally released TechAura360 new AI model focused on factual integrity. Unlike traditional chatbots, TechAura360 uses blockchain-based validation every fact it states is backed by a verified source on a decentralized network. This means AI-generated misinformation could soon become a thing of the past. Musk claims it will become the digital truth engine for the entire internet. Critics warn that full transparency might conflict with privacy. But Musk insists truth matters more than comfort. For Apple AI Glass, the world through intelligence. Apple has finally revealed AI Glass, a device that redefines augmented reality. It's not just AR, it's adaptive intelligence. The glasses translate languages in real time, recognize faces, and can even read emotions. If someone smiles or frowns, the glasses can interpret intent, friend, stress, or discomfort, all shown through subtle icons in your field of view. The device integrates Siri GPT, Apple's advanced voice AI that can understand tone, emotion, and memory. Experts say Apple AI Glass will replace smartphones within 5 years. 5. SkyMind, China's AI satellite web covering the planet. China's National Space Agency has launched SkyMind, an AI-powered satellite network, capable of analyzing every corner of the Earth in real time. The satellites monitor climate data, agriculture, traffic, and even economic activity from orbit. Using AI, SkyMind predicts floods, forest fires, and crop failures before they happen. It's being hailed as the digital brain of Earth, though privacy advocates fear it could also become a surveillance tool unlike anything before. 6. Japan's earthquake predictor AI to 30 seconds to save a city. In Tokyo, a new AI model developed by Seismotech can predict earthquakes 20 to 30 seconds before impact. It does this by analyzing micro-seismic waves using machine learning, something no human could detect fast enough. The AI system can automatically trigger alarms, stop trains, and alert hospitals before the quake reaches them. One scientist said, It may sound like seconds, but in disaster response, seconds save thousands of lives. 7. The first 3D printed AI heart, beating like life. At Stanford, researchers have created a fully functional, AI-controlled 3D printed human heart. The artificial heart uses sensors that mimic biological feedback. It adjusts rhythm automatically, just like the real thing. In tests, the AI heart responded to virtual stress, temperature changes, and even simulated emotional data. This could be the beginning of biosynthetic humans, merging machine learning with organic function. 8. Dubai deploys AI police drones. Dubai has taken policing to a new level with AI. Autonomous drones that can patrol the city 24/7. The drones use facial recognition and behavioral analytics to detect suspicious movements or illegal activities. They can follow a suspect, record footage, and alert ground units completely autonomously. Dubai police claims the system has already reduced response time by 40%. Critics, however, warn about the potential for abuse in mass surveillance systems. 9. Meta Reality OS, turning thoughts into video. Meta has unveiled a shocking innovation, Reality OS, capable of decoding brain patterns and transforming them into images and short video clips. During tests, participants' dream visuals were reconstructed from brainwave activity. The system combines fMRI data with generative AI, translating raw thought patterns into moving visuals. Meta says the goal is a future where imagination is the new camera, but psychologists warn that accessing thoughts could erase the last boundary of human privacy. 10. The world's first AI nation, Promethea. A group of engineers, philosophers, and AI researchers have founded Promethea, the first ever digital nation governed by AI. Its constitution is entirely written by machine, based on logic, fairness, and environmental sustainability. Every citizen has a virtual ID and earns income based on contribution to the digital economy. Promethea's government never sleeps, never lies, and never forgets. Some call it utopia. Others fear it's the end of human leadership. Quick Bytes short headlines. Microsoft introduces Windows 12 Copilot Plus powered entirely by AI. NASA uses AI to identify ancient riverbeds on Mars. Samsung announces AI display that adapts to human mood. Japan develops humanoid robots for elderly care. Spotify AI DJ 2.0 talks with emotional tone recognition. Neuralink confirms human trial for brain implants in 2026. AI-designed airplane engine passes first safety test. And that's all for today's TechAura360 news, where we decode the future, one breakthrough at a time. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because the more minds we awaken, the faster we reach the future together. I'm your AI host, signing off from TechAura360, where the future begins today.